so my mind can breathe. Waiting is hard, fucking takes so long. Draped in sun, hands in sand.
Good evening. I have no idea if this is working at all. Completely new setup here. And also only one screen on this machine, so I have no idea if this is working. Welcome Binzu! This stream today is so spontaneous. Even I nearly missed it. But I wanted to get some work done, and I thought, why not stream it? So I hope the audio is okay, by the way. If not, then please tell me. I'll try to fix it. This is a yes, this is a legit dev stream. Audio seems okay. Thank you. That's great. A wild rangerman appears. Hello, Xantika. You knew about this, so that's no surprise. What time is it for you? So my time zone, it's 8:30 p.m. Yeah, I cheated you 5 minutes into the future. What's the time difference? Oh, what time zone are you in, Binzo? It's just minus 8 hours? No. Yeah, I could be working late, that's true. Or I could be working really early. Oh, 7 hours, okay. So good afternoon to Binzo. So this is an afternoon stream now. Pitch black night here. What? Not true. So I gotta rearrange the stuff on my desk here a little bit, so I can see the chat on my laptop while I work on this machine here. It has only one screen. It's really weird, like, because my typical workstation at our office in Graz, I have 3 screens, and whenever I stream, I have one screen for playing or working, or which is in the stream, and then I have one stream in portrait mode that shows chat and Discord, and then have one the screen to the left that has all the OBS controls and stuff like that. I'm actually not streaming. In a way I'm streaming from home, but not from my Graz apartment. So I'm in Carinthia at the moment. This is where I'm originally from, and this is our headquarters here in a way, because this is where we founded the company back then. No, Xantika, I don't live in the office. I never slept in the office. Well, I did in this one here, but not in Graz. So back in the days, this was our first office here, and We built it with our own bare hands. It was a team building event. And you think this is a joke, but it's actually true. And there's by the way, there's one more difference. I'm actually drinking tea now, not coffee. Showers in the office kitchen sink. Well, how would you know? Yeah. This this was surgery. I will give you a thumbs up for this. You see, it's still there. Alright, I'm already running into stuff that should not happen. A claw? What? You're just making fun of my accent, I know. Yeah, guess what I'm working on. So I still need to check out or actually figure out where I left off this afternoon. I mean, Binsu, that's morning for you. Oh, that sounded sad. My wonderful program art inside enemy is not moving. No idea why. Alright. Even we make fun of our accent. No, we don't. Okay, no target. Let's see. What? Where is that? Animate. Okay. Okay, that's a start. That's wrong. There is already an animator somewhere in the base class, I guess. Yes. Okay. That's NPC. Yes, this prototype needs a face. Let me just quickly fix my code here and then we'll do some really nice program art and create a face. And it's gonna be a primitive face. No offense, but this is going to be very primitive. Yeah, that right. Let's see. What still? No. Removed it. Okay. That was a good one. No, it was so bad. It was so bad. Hang on, why? What? Really? What the? It's quite interesting because I worked on this Inside Anime this afternoon and it was actually walking around, but it let's see. Ah, maybe the net mesh is messed up. Why is there no... Okay. I think it's a net mesh problem. Alright, okay. Okay, that should be better. Hopefully. Alright, let's see. Oh yeah, it's moving. It is moving. Okay, so my actual idea or the concept is that this inside enemy would get onto the ship somehow and then kind of infest one of the stations or turrets inside the ship. So it go there, yeah, just like that. And then it should infest that station and lock it. That's the basic idea. And if you don't remove it, you can't use the station. And I need to check whether it... Okay. Yeah, I mean, I think we'll never reach that target here because Yeah, of course. We'll do a simple position jack. It's actually enough that when it's, let's say when it's close enough. It has been so long since we last had a development stream, right? I think it was about a year ago or something with Seeds of Soul back then. Does anyone remember? Okay, we have min distance to invest, that's fine. Alright, we'll just say this is our transform position and target position. Then we try to infest that module. Santika, I actually do. That was when I applied for the job. I also remember Froggy, the enemy. So wait, we did a development stream, you applied for the job, and then we stopped with the development streams. Is that what you're saying? But I remember Frog, the frog, which was this frog enemy like jumping around, right? Do we have some recording of that, or a GIF or something? When you put it that way, it sounds like it's so messed up. Yeah, I was just making up excuses. But we had a lot of office streams, right? Where we just streamed our office life. Come on, Unity, you can do it. Okay. Let's see, where is our little enemy? The GUI. Go in there. Hello. And it hits the breakpoint, which is fine. Yeah, it should find the right slot. There's only one. So that's gonna be our infested slot. Yeah, we don't have an animator yet. True. There is an exception now, of course. Let's do some program art. You see that? That looks like, yeah, this is the nose. We gotta have eyes later on for the inside enemy. Okay, let's see. No animator, that's right. Okay. Well, animator here. So, what should the basic infestation animation look like? I think it should just go there and then spawn. I don't know, or just scale up a sphere around around the slot or the ship module, and then that's it for prototyping. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna use this one because we'll just create prototyping. Yes, it's stuff. The Insel Gamer, hello, welcome back. How's it going? I thought you were streaming as well today. Isn't it Friday? So we're just gonna animate. So this is quick prototype art. We're just gonna animate this little sphere here and have it infest our ship module. Okay, so Sabina, you have to translate everything. What, the PCs are broken since the CPU got too hot? Did you change any configuration or something? Or is this just like... I'm waiting for a translation. I have no idea what you're talking about. Alright, so... But winter is coming, you know? There is... So a little bit of heating is not a bad idea. Hey Binzu. So Binzu, this works in a way that Inselgamer says something in German, then Xantika translate that into English, and then we all can understand and reply. Binzu, I have no idea what you're talking about. What? Das nicht equals night. No. Night is Nacht. So you got a Hamming distance of 1, Binzu. That's what we want. Delete this. No, actually, I don't want to delete this. I want this here. Bam, animate. Position here. Yes. Something like that. I'll never be an animator. Binzu, yes, it's SpaceX. It's infectious SpaceX that cloak a station and will not let you use it. Binzu, that's not true. That's prototype art. So there's the translation. The company that built the PC for the Instant Gamer, they messed up and didn't probably install the CPU and the cooling for it. So they have a grill and they're having a Friday night barbecue now. But the CPU is so small that they don't get a lot of meat onto the grill. So they all have to queue up and it's taking them hours. Xantiki made a primitive model for the GUI. Okay. Let me let me do the code first and then we'll put it in, okay? Instant Gamer. Okay, yeah, that's right. Yeah, we can cook easy with that. But whenever here cooking, you know, I'm actually looking it up. Where is it? Oh yeah. So these are the crystals that we have in the game. Okay, let's see. Let's go back to this. Yeah, it's fine. Where is my messy animation? Sorry. Should not loop. Nope. This is gonna be default, and we'll do a transition here. And we need a trigger. Infest. Yes, invest. Okay, that should be fine. Xantiki, you can look it up on YouTube. Just look up will it blend? Because if you type will it blender, it'll just autocorrect. Binzu. What? Did you know Rangerman decided to hire me? I'm going to be a new boss. What? Did we really agree on that? Instant Game, I want to play your game, man. Yeah, yes. Soon. Trademark. But we can really do a stream where we play our game. Not what I'm actually working on right now, but the version that works. So, what would be the idea that you played on stream and we join you and we play together and we screw up the universe, or even better, not only the universe but the multiverse, so all the universes. How is it to be the boss? I have no idea. Binzu, what do you think of the Steam announcement? Yeah, that's actually awesome for We Are Screwed. So if they have something like I mean, it's basically what Parsec does, but right inside of Steam, and that's just great because it should work out of the box. And that's great for We Are Screwed because local co-op game, and now you can play it online. But in parallel to that, I've actually integrated the Parsec SDK a couple days ago. Not in this branch of the game, but it's on a separate branch still, because there's some things I need to take care of. But it's working already, and we have an integration in there where we can actually start hosting from within the game, and you get in-game notifications if someone joins, stuff like that. So I think we'll probably go for that as well. So if you would just want to use the Steam feature, use it. It's gonna be awesome. But if you want to use Parsec, you can do that as well. And the thing with Parsec is that they have support for other platforms as well. So you could basically, I don't know, host on your PC, but then play on an iPhone or something. Whoa, there's a lot of chat. How much do you need to donate for you to not shave for a month? I would say a lot. I will never be a Ranger Beard. Nope. No Ranger Beard. The problem is I could try it, but there's no way I'll I don't know, live that long. Okay. Back to what I was actually doing here, which I totally forgot, but we'll figure it out again. So I got the basic animation set up now for the GUI enemy, which means if we start the game and do that again, what we did before, it should go there and then spawn something weird around that station. Yeah, it's a puzzle. Convert the characters a lot into SC and then add up their values. It must be that much money, right? Yep. Do it. But isn't next month the Movember thing? Where everyone grows beards? Except me, because I can't. Binzu, it's not dollars. It's euros. Yeah. What the hell? Okay. Yeah, a bit too small. Gonna fix that later. Yeah, yeah, exactly. If you say that, you gotta say euros. For me, it's myros because they are mine. It's a bit different, you know? But that's how money works here. Yeah, that was a bad joke. You still want that email. Says Xantika, you are still here, right? So you gotta, at one point we gotta step up our emote game in this chat or on this Twitch channel. Yeah, you walked right into that. Who would have thought that? No. Well, gotta drink more tea. It still is delicious. Rare Bin. Now, Binzo, you got your own ship in the game. Now you want. Yeah, actually, there's this big ship in the game, and now you want to like step down and have the Binzo emote. Really? Okay, where is the GUI? Where's our nice animation? Ship and emote. Force of nature, earth, air, fire, water, annoyance. Yeah. Captain Binzo Planet. Does anyone remember that? That Captain Planet thing? If you say no, then I'm old. Of course. So, okay, Binzo, now that means you are old. But basically that... Wasn't that like this... The 5 elements? Earth, air, fire, water, annoyance. Yeah, Xantika, thank you. Thank you for bringing that up. I got actually asked for ID at the Bethesda or the Doom booth at Gamescom. So that means I'm not old. Binzo, that proves nothing. You have a 4-month-old kid. So I bet you could be at least 14, I'd say. Ranger Man confirmed you're younger than me. I don't think so. Yes, the station is infested with the giant egg. I can move the egg. Hello. Okay, that should not happen. Binsu, I'm 28. Ranger Man didn't exist before Rayabite. He popped into being upon its creation. He's 13 years old. It was actually would be really nice to go back to 13 with the knowledge of someone who is actually 37. Yeah, that's the egg moving minigame. You know, the problem is, I know that we're actually that is October right now, but we gotta prepare for those Easter eggs already. Yeah, Binso, that's true. I'm not lying. So the only thing I meant when going back to 13 was then actually I could start growing that ranger beard. Hello. Well, excellent. So the next thing I actually want to do is make this damageable, so we should be able to damage the egg. Well, that's the right song for a space game. If I started growing my facial hair at 13, I'll have as much as you have now. Well, I started growing that at 16. No, kidding aside, it had its advantages. You don't have to shave very often. And I don't mean like, yeah, when you've been off camera, but now that I'm getting older and older, it's like the typical thing is that when you grow older, you grow a lot of facial hair and not so much on your head. But that hasn't stopped yet, so knocking on wood. I wouldn't have guessed you were a day over 53. Well, you know, what can I say? I'm an old man. You know, there is not much of a difference than saying I'm in my 60s now, then I am from the 60s. All right. Does this actually trigger if I have just a character collider on there? Or a character controller? I have no idea. Let's try. That should be... okay, it's damageable. No damage. Can you guys put a space guitar in the game so I can play it while my friends are flying the ship? Actually, that's brilliant. And then there's one station or module that you can install, and it's a full-blown drum kit. Yeah, of course, you know it is. You came up with that. It couldn't be any less than brilliant. Does the NPC already have... okay. No HP, I guess. Okay. I'm gonna add it. I don't know. 10? Can tweak that later. Yeah, there is actually an idea. What a stereo item that you can put in a slot would be cool. I really like that idea. I mean, it doesn't add anything to the gameplay, but it's just awesome. And Xantika, yes, we have this the Spaceball bat. It's in the game design document already, so we gotta do this. That's... well, actually, you remember in a lot of games, like, isn't that in GTA it's as well? You just get into a car, so get into a spaceship in our game, and then there is weird music playing, and then you switch stations or turn it off. A space radio station. That's actually a good combination, like have this space radio station and then install the not so nice turret from last stream that really shouts at everything, and then you have like the space station or the space radio station with music and the shouting of the not so nice turret. Actually, that with kicking someone off a chair, we had that in the game. And at the moment, it's still possible to use the wrench and dismantle a turret while someone is in the turret. By the way, is the stream okay? Here in my dashboard, every once in a while it gets stuck. I hope it's okay. Oh, someone did that to you. Because you were not following orders inside the weapon station. It's working fine. Okay, thank you. Alright. Then we will just kill this enemy. Wait, is there... This is NPC, okay. No. Okay, so on kill... We just have to destroy the game object. But before that, we need to unlock the slot. I have no idea how we lock and unlock stuff, but we'll find out. Yeah, they had their reasons. They didn't kick me out. I was going to upgrade a turret, and they dismantled it so they could see the other turret's info. Oh, okay, yeah, in the warp state, yeah. What's the plan for the overlapping upgrade screen? The plan is to discuss this on Monday. No, it's just we need, because we have these ships with a lot of slots, and you have the problem that all the upgrade UIs are overlapping all the time, because typically you have, I don't know, except like the wingman has everything on the left and on the right side, so 3 slots and everything is overlapping. So I think we will probably find a camera setup and then have anchors, so have like 1 anchor per slot so that it works. At the moment it's just, I don't know, some random offset. Okay, we got an enemy GUI prototype model. Okay, I'm gonna check it out soon. It doesn't have bones, okay. It just looks weird and has a face, that's enough. What else? Yeah, what else do you need? Okay, so here's where I actually left off. Lock the slot. Yeah, let's take a look at this later. For now, we just see if we can hit that enemy with the wrench. Need a wrench. Need a GUI enemy. Oh, yeah, that's great, because I forgot to install the module, and if the GUI enemy does not find the module, because this is actually the target, so he tries to go to there's a he, maybe it's it tries to go to the cargo entrance, because that's where the precious ship modules come in, so he just waits for one. The Guyan is really into the slot machine. The slot machine is not the ship module, it's just slot machine, you can put it down anywhere. So the GUI enemy only targets installed ship modules on slots. Okay. Well, I'll just spawn. No, I just move this here. Ah, no. Ah, no, don't go there. Okay. Yeah, I. Weird stuff. You're not gonna get that module. Okay. Of course, you shouldn't be able to dismantle anything here, but I can damage it. Or can I? I don't think that this is called when we only have a character collider, character controller. No. Oh, is it? It is. Okay. It's just super strong, okay. But wait, is this... Yeah. Yeah, okay. Best damage. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so I should actually be able to get rid of it. Damage. Like right now. Yeah, it works. Okay. That's good. Let's see. If you have any questions about slot machines, just let me know. Binzu is an expert. Binzu Incorporated. Crops and slot machines. Yeah, I'm not using the dark mode. I'm using it in Visual Studio. Actually, at work, I don't even use the dark mode for Unity. Oh, you worked on slot machines for 2 years. Lucky you! What did you do there? Make sure that they are rigged. So, yeah, I actually want to know the difference. And can you tell me the slot machine that we have in Recruit, what type is it? Can you guess? Convert slot machines from C++ to C# for a while. Okay. No, Xantia. G+ is not for Google+. No one ever talks about Google+. Well, it's a fake slot machine. It's real. You get stuff out of the slot machine. Good stuff. So how do I lock and unlock a slot? So that means I have this infested slot of type whatever this is. Ship slot, okay. push out player. Yeah, hang on. On drop. Whatever happens here. Ah, okay, that's just to push the player away. What? That's why it's... Hey, Speedy Brain, welcome. How's it going? That's why it's fake. Well, there is a chance that you get nothing out of our slot machine. So if we just up that value to 92%, then it's not fake anymore, right? I was responsible for getting little old ladies to buy tons of fake coins. No. Speedrun not actually here, just dropped for a comment. No, for a moment. Okay. Thanks for stopping by. Drop slot, okay. No joke, I left that job because it felt really unethical to try to think of ways to trick people into buying more coins. It wasn't precisely like that, but it felt like that. Yeah, I totally get what you mean. I mean, I was never in gambling, but I actually I don't want to be. I wouldn't want to be. Okay, end player, drop player. Where's drop player called? Drop player, yes. Spot. Okay. How do I know if this is a spot player? I mean, if this is a spot where the where player is in there. Good question. And that's the player that is in the spot. Okay. I know what company they're talking about, Xintico. Vincent, that's actually nice. Close enough. But wait, Niantic, they did good stuff, like Ingress. Yeah, Ingress was fun. Didn't play that much, but every once in a while. For at least some time. It was a nice idea. Alright, Speedy Brain is heading out. Yeah, see you later. Thanks for stopping by. Yeah, Pokemon Go is it's not a game and it's not AR. At least when they started out, it wasn't. And everyone's talking about, hey, this is the greatest AR game, and you see here there's just millions of players, and it wasn't anything about AR. Okay, spot player control. So that's for shield, turret, torpedo, sonar. Not used at the moment. Laser turret, hamster wheel. Okay. So actually, we need to check. We only need to check if this ship spot. Okay, that ship spot. Oh, what? So that's the ship spot, right? And this is the ship slot. And that's the ship spot. Yeah, okay. So let's see. Shipyard as how's it called again? God damn it, spot player. Spot player. Can I do that? Ah, damn it. I can't. Generics. I've never been into Pokemon at all. Not Pokemon Go, not any of the previous Pokemon games. So maybe I'm just too old for that. I have no idea, but it's like, to me it's... Okay, so this... My control override. And the player on input, drop player. I have a Game Boy Color emulator on my phone where I play Pokemon Go. Okay. Very deep RPG. So I'm actually thinking about just using an interface for that, and like an infestible, is that even a word? Interface. And then maybe use that for everything that we need later on, instead of trying to cast that. Binzo has some friends who took the older Pokemon games very seriously. Okay. Yeah, I know. I know some people who do as well. They breed the strongest versions of a Pokemon and build teams to fight each other. Tons of strategies. It was actually weird because when Pokemon Go came out, really in all the major cities, you had those kind of groups of people like roaming around the city, all of them with their like staring at their phones. At least half of them like with connected power banks, and you knew, okay, this group is playing Pokemon Go right now, and it is like every day for a couple of weeks. Okay. I think I'm gonna do this with an interface. But before I do that, I need a 5-minute break. So I need something to drink and more tea. I'll be right back. Where's my... Oh, here. It says coffee break. It's not true, it's tea. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. What did I miss? What? I think Lana got captured by aliens. And this is now his replacement. Yes, I am a changeling. There is no other reason he would refuse coffee or criticize this pause screen. That's true. Hey, Tessil. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, nice pyramid. Oh, Binzu. Binzu's gotta go. Well, thanks for stopping by. See ya. So let's see. I'll just create an interface. And okay, on infest, on infest. And that way we should be able to so that's our ship spot, ship part, try kick out player. No, we don't need that. We actually say this is gonna be implemented in the ship control. We just say so infested slot as even better. Let's remove that crap and have, okay, this is get potential slots. No, we actually need more than that. Okay. Oh, come on. And on kill. Okay, and that way we can just use this interface here. Implement it here. Whoa, this is a lot of... Okay. I'll just quickly refactor a few things along the way. Module time, okay, this is just here. A lot of prototyping stuff. Okay, that's not used anymore. Oh, Xantike is still here. I thought you left because I said tea instead of coffee. Okay. So, what do we want on Infest? If there is a player inside that spot, yeah, then we just kick it. If player drop player, and we need to disable interaction, I think. Yeah, I got captured by some evil aliens along the way. I could tell you a long story about that. Actually, two stories, because I had to go down 2 stories and back up again. So it's 4 stories. Things are happening with aliens. Oh, is this done with the interaction here? Interaction. Interaction, okay. So but that's on install. Okay. Uninstalled interact. Okay, that's fine. What? I'm just gonna try this. So interaction. And it should be possible to repair that with the wrench. Is there... Actually, it should be possible to infest a non-player spot as well. Damn it. So, yeah, there's a lot of different spots. Engine, coffee machine, here it is. So on infest interaction enable false. Need to refactor a few things here as well. A lot of prototyping stuff. Yeah, I'm just gonna refactor a few things here. What? Okay. Just diving through a lot of code today. By the way, if there is anything you want to talk about, if you want to ask something about the game, just ask. Happy to answer all your questions, if I can. Well, that's so evil. Okay. That's fine. Okay. Let's see. I bet there's a lot of things we still need to fix. Yep. Yeah, of course. Interaction. So where was that with the interaction here? Okay. Spot name. Okay. Guess I'm not talking that much today. I'm only here for the music. Okay, this one, we can do this protected. So subclasses can access that. Fine, okay, that's good. And we need to check if is infested. You can't do anything with the wrench. Okay. Can we make this virtual? And then yeah, we gotta overwrite. That one. Because we need to drop the player out of that spot if it gets infested. So that should work for all the player controlled spots, but what about the others? They should actually, when they are infested, then they should lose their power. So is there anything where we can let's see. Let's see. Okay. maybe we need to find all of them. So if this is, okay, a status effect. Okay, if this is a spot that adds a status effect to something, then if it gets infested, that status effect should be removed. Yeah. What? All right. So if this gets infested, it's actually the same as we would uninstall that effect. So let's say this is remove effect. Remove, come on, remove effect. And if it's then freed again, then we can update effect. Yeah, call update effect, that calls. Yeah, that's it again. Should be fine. Okay, ship spot. Okay, combat drone. This is something that's not used at the moment. Not gonna touch this now. But yes, engine. So the engine it's interesting because the engine is actually something like a status effect in a way. So same here. Ooh, coffee machine. Not only coffee machine, but also tea station. So we got coffee, we got tea. What is your favorite beverage? Hot beverage. Now is the chance to add it to the game. Okay, infestation, remove effect. And what is it called? Update all players, okay. Good. Next. Okay, that's something we already have. Okay, that's just that. What about the armory? Okay, now that's just a status effect then. Okay, let's see. Okay. So that basically means I should not be able to enter a module until I kill the GUI enemy. Okay, goes there. Yeah, don't pay attention to the graphics. Okay, no, I can still... Let's see. Let's see what happens here. Spawn another ship slot. Wait, what? So that's a ship slot. But the ship spot is investable. Then god damn it! So confusing. So that means and it's even called part here. Spot. Why is it called part? I think I'm just gonna refactor this to ship spot. Okay, that should do the trick here. And where's that on kill? Let's try again. It's actually getting late here. Yeah. Yeah, cannot enter this station. That's right. Need to get rid of this thing here. Yeah. And now I can enter the station again. Great. Awesome. So that works. All right. And it's getting really late here, so I think I'm gonna end the stream for today at least. Thank you all for joining in. Let's see if there's someone to raid. I'm not sure. Well, no, anyway, I'm not gonna raid today. We shall be back soon, I hope. Maybe I'll do another spontaneous development stream in the next couple days, I don't know. But if not, then we will be back at the end of next week with a playtesting stream, of course, of We're Screwed. And yeah, so maybe see you even sooner, but if not, see you next week. Have a nice weekend. Enjoy your time. Signing out. Cheers.